Hello everyone. Is belly fat bad? Let us understand what is this belly fat is. Belly is this region, stomach region. The fat which accumulates at this region is known as belly fat. Yes, definitely it is bad. Why? The fat releases certain chemicals which are harmful to the heart, which also increases the levels of LDL, low density lipoprotein, which is bad cholesterol. And this fat also makes cells resistant to insulin. If insulin becomes resistant to cells, it results in diabetes mellitus, sugar disease. Because of all these things, belly fat is dangerous one. Now, what does it consist of? Belly fat is because of excess intake of saturated fats. What do you mean by saturated fats? See, the dietary fats which we take from the diet are of two types: saturated and unsaturated fats. Look at here. Saturated fats, a carbon is completely bonded with single bonds and hydrogens. Unsaturated fat, one of the hydrogens, some of the hydrogens are missing and carbon is bonded with double bonds. Now, among these two things, saturated fats will cause belly fat, which is harmful to our health. Now, look at the differences. Saturated fats, the major source is animal. The cholesterol from saturated fat is bad. At room temperature, they are solids, and example is butter. Not just butter, look at these things. All these foods consist of saturated fats. Fat which is present on meat, processed meats, pastries, fried foods like french fries, butter and ghee, coconut oil, chips, ice cream and chocolates. When we take them in excess amount, they cause belly fat. Now understand this. See, the title says saturated fats to limit. That means we need to reduce this amount, not completely avoid it. It is not possible. We need to reduce the amount. According to American Heart Association, per day, 20 grams of saturated fat, we can take it. Anything more than that is harmful. That results in belly fat. Now, if someone has got already this belly, how to reduce it? The golden rule is physical activity. When we do exercise, body needs energy. When body needs energy, it breaks down the saturated fat and releases energy. So consistently, we need to do exercises. Second one, you need to reduce the intake of these saturated foods. Like these foods, some of the foods which contain saturated fats, you need to reduce the intake of these foods. That is how we can manage this belly fat.